Okay, so this is the web design part of the Specimen Paper 3. What you'll always have to do is to open up a file that will be .htm. Okay, you will then definitely always have to attach something called a style sheet, a CSS file. That basically just tells the words that are on this web page what they should look like, the color they should be, and the size they should be. Okay, for example, if you look at this page here, this is the main body text, so this is black. Okay, so it's just black and maybe size 12. The style sheet for this page would then say your heading should be blue, a lightish, a darkish blue, maybe font size 18, something like that. Okay, so back to the actual exam. Okay. Right, this here it says all color codes are in hexadecimal. Now this is important. That what is hexadecimal? Hex is where you have 3 letters that say how much red, green and blue there should be in a particular color. So this means full red, full amount of blue, full amount of green but no blue. Okay, and then this one here, so if you were doing it using Dreamweaver, then there is a particular way you're going to do that. But anyway, I'll come back to that in a second. So basically, there you go. That's the start. You're going to open up this one called P3SUP. Sorry, P3super.html, and then you're going to attach the style sheet saved in step 21. So on this one, you open the style sheet up, and then you just have to save it inside this folder. Okay, right. So this is just a screenshot where I've quickly worked through this one. That's the screenshot. Now where here, split. Make sure you do split, because this side here, the left side is where basically the HTML code is going to be, and on the right side is what happens. So you have the results of that code. So if you type some words in here, okay, hello, this is my web page, you then save it and then they would appear. So this is showing you what it would look like if it was on the internet. Okay, you notice the tab, it says untitled. If you open up a style sheet, you'll have another little tab and it will have the name of the style sheet. Okay, so that's the first thing that you would do. This is to attach a style sheet. You do format, CSS styles, attach style sheet. Then you find where it is saved. Okay, so it will be saved in the folder on your desktop, which has got all the exam files in. You just click open, and then just click OK, OK, OK. If you get any messages, add as a link or import, just do it as a link. Just keep everything as it is. Okay, that's how you attach the style sheet on here. See, it's already been attached, and you'll see a little bit of code. It will put that in for you. Now, I'll just go back to the exam. So you've done that. For this one here, I'm going to actually show you using the mark scheme what we need to do on this. I'm just going to. This is the mark scheme, and this is attached. You know, you'll see this underneath this video. So you'll see this exam paper, and you'll see this mark scheme. That's what you have to do when it says color. So basically, you open up the CSS file. Okay, and at the moment it's that. You take out the red, take out where it says green and blue, and also the commas. Okay, you put a hash symbol in. Okay, and then you'll get a little window where you can actually choose the color. Okay, so I've put in FF00. There's only 1 0 there, but it's the same. 0 or 00 is the same thing. Okay. 16 points as well. This is quite important because there you go, look, it said 16 points high. So you do 16 or it's 24. So you do PT for points. Okay. And you've got one here, body colored, so it's the other bit you would have to do is here. So you take out the words red, green and blue, take out the commas and just put 00 CCFF. And what you'll see, the result of that, you'll see when you look at your web page in Dreamweaver, you'll actually see the result. Now this is the the marks, the mark scheme. Look at this. If you're not sure exactly what's going on, look, that's the answers for the spreadsheet. There you go. That's what your website should look like. Okay, and it basically shows you all the code as it would be, or as it should look. So that's it. And you'll also see, look, that's the style sheet. That's what, and you see how many marks you get for each one. Okay. On the actual exam, so once that's the style sheet bit. Now I'm going to scroll down a bit. Okay, and it says things like set border to 2, set cell padding to this, set the table to fit the width of the window. These 3 things here, I'm just going to show you now. I've got this on a screenshot. Okay. You'll always get asked to insert a table, okay, so you've had a bit of practice doing that. So once you've inserted the table, here it will probably just say table and nothing else. If you put your mouse just after the letter E on table and press your space bar, you'll get a little mini window will open and it'll give you all the different options. One of the options will be border, so you can say border. So you select border and then it puts these speech marks in with nothing in it. So you just put a 2 in. Same for cell padding. For width, so on the question it actually says make sure it fits the width of the window. So what you would do is put 100 and then %. That means you fill 100% of the width of the window. And that actually, sorry, I keep flipping back and forth here. So then you're just dragging a picture. Okay, you're just dragging it straight into Dreamweaver. And really, that's the most part of it done. I noticed on one of them, on one of yours, the main picture. I'll go back to the mark scheme. So the main picture was missing. The link there was missing. Well, if it happens, if the picture isn't there when it should be, just click on the picture. That's all I did, and just select that picture again, and that just fixed it. Okay. And obviously where you've got picture here, it's highlighted. If it tells you to resize it, you can resize it here, where it says 183, you can resize it there. Or down the bottom in Dreamweaver, you'll have a little window, which is properties window, and that's where you can also resize it. And I think, okay, yeah, obviously if you're inserting a picture, you can just do insert an image, or you should just be able to drag it straight in. This is one thing that pretty much every test has, and you have to say either have some words or have a picture that has to link to an email. Basically this, look, make the logo a hyperlink to send an email message, okay, with the subject line holiday inquiry. So basically you would write, if you click on it and then down the bottom in properties, you have a tiny little window that says link. Inside there, if you type that would give you, if you typed just that would get you some marks actually just by doing that. But it said with the subject holiday, so if you put the question mark and then subject equals and then holiday inquiry, okay, that would get you the full marks. I'm just coming back to that. Forget that. That gives you, and then saving everything, that gives you 5 marks. In total, that's 30 marks. And when you look at it, that's not too bad, really. The final bit is a weird one. It says trainee notes, and it's easy to explain by showing the mark scheme, actually. You're basically just doing a PowerPoint, or just doing a presentation, really. If you look, and you're just talking about why you resized an image. So basically, why did you just do that? Why did you just do all this? Justify why you replaced, why you put the logo in there, or why you did certain things. The easiest thing is just to read through. If you read through this, okay, it's easier to sort of understand what they're asking you. It's a strange one, actually. You're sort of justifying why you've just done what you've just done. And that's slightly fewer marks on that one. If I go back to the exam, it's sort of 13 marks, but it's, you know, just a little mini sort of presentation. So the 30 marks is the website, and 37 for the Excel spreadsheet. And so really do a good job on the website, and you should have a pretty good go at doing the spreadsheet and the website, and you should be fine. Okay, I would say if you haven't got Dreamweaver on your laptops, don't even worry about that. Just watch the videos that I've done before using Dreamweaver, and we've still got time to practice. But just those screenshots that I've just shown you, that they are the essentials. I thought it'd be quicker to show the screenshots. It might be a sort of a slightly shorter video, but obviously contact me any thing you're not sure about.